Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to do a 2026 update for anyone coming to Luanda. We will talk about the new airport essentials and other important travel tips. So, without further ado, let's start. Which airport will you land at? Luanda now has two airports. The old one, 4 de Fevereiro, inside the city, and the new one, Dr. António Agostinho Neto, outside Luanda. And they are located more than 40 kilometers apart. So, always check the airport code on your ticket. If it says LAD, is the old one. If it says NBJ, is the new one. And today I'm referring to the new one, NBJ, which is now the main airport to commercial passenger flights. Next question. Where is exactly the new airport located? The NBJ is located in Bom Jesus, in Icolo e Bengo, and the distance from the new airport to Luanda Center is more or less 40 to 50 kilometers. The route is mainly through Catete Road. Is a wide and almost direct route. The average time from the new airport to city center is from 40 minutes to 1 hour without traffic, but with traffic maybe can go up to 2 hours. This road takes you to the central Luanda, but if you are going to Talatona or nearby areas, usually is a different way. So it's important to know exactly where you are going to stay in Luanda. Let's continue. How to get from the new airport to Luanda. You have traditional taxis. There are taxis outside the terminal, but it's important to agree on the price before you get in. You also should pay in cash and clearly confirm the destination. You also have plenty of ride-hailing apps, and I think is the most practical option for first-time visitors. Some apps that are used in Luanda: Yango, Each, Ugo, Televa, InDrive, and I think it's better to install apps before traveling and get familiar with them and make sure you have internet once you arrive. Another option is hotel transfer. It's very convenient if you arrive late at night, or if you have a lot of luggage, or you simply are too tired, but it's more expensive. Always confirm the price, the location, and the operating hours. Also, there are some buses connecting the new airport to several areas in Luanda, but I think it's not the best option if you are not familiar with Luanda, and if you have a lot of luggage, definitely it's not a good choice, but is very cheap. Also, in the future, you will have a train from the new airport to Luanda Center, but for now is still not operational. Next question. Are there hotels near the NBJ? The NBJ area is still under development. However, I already searched and found some options for those who really need to stay nearby. I found Hotel Sivan. I think this is relatively close to the new airport, and some other guest houses. I don't know these hotels. I never went there. I just searched on the internet. But if you have interest to see how they are, just leave a comment and I will try to go there and film for you. Next, is it safe to wait around the new airport? Inside the terminal? Yes. The airport is modern, spacious, secure, and I believe is also very beautiful and operates 24 hours a day. Outside the terminal, especially at night, it's not advisable to wait. Next, what service the airport already offers? The NBJ already offers free Wi-Fi, currency exchange, ATMs, large air conditioning waiting areas, support for passengers with reduced mobility. There are still few cafes and shops open, but essential services are available. And I already saw some shops selling things from Angola. For example, Angola coffee, Angola chocolates, and other things. Next question. Which airlines are already operating at NBJ? Currently, all are already operating there. The old one, 4 de Fevereiro, I think will be only for private flights, but don't make it easy to mistakes happen. Make sure your flight is really going to NBJ. Next, where are the car parks located? They are right in front of the main terminal. Next question. Is it worth to exchange money at the airport? Exchanging 40 euros is good for the transport, to snacks, or other things that you might need. For large amounts, is better to exchange in the city. Next question. Does the internet work immediately upon arrival? And in most cases, yes, but there may be occasional issues. Therefore, you could buy an eSIM or activate roaming or buy a local SIM as soon as possible. Can you use bank cards everywhere? And the answer is not yet. Card payments are improving, but cash is still essential. Next, is the airport open 24 hours? And yes. And now let's talk about other essential things you should know before you come here. You already know you have to have a passport valid for 6 months. Check if your country needs a visa. You can check on my page. You also will need the international yellow fever vaccination certificates. And don't forget, before you come here, install some apps, the transport apps, a translation app, offline maps. Also is good to learn some few basic words or phrases in Portuguese. Olá, that means hello, por favor, means please, obrigada, obrigado, means thank you, quanto custa, how much does it cost, onde é, where it is, ajuda, help. So with these essentials, you are ready to come to Luanda. I hope it helped you. And if you need more things, you can check on my site, luandaguides.com. And once again, thank you so much for being here and see you in the next time.